January 4th, 2022. But now, by dying to what once bound us, we have been released from the law so that we serve in the new way of the Spirit and not in the old way of the written code. Romans 7:6. There are a lot of paradoxes in this promise of new life. Some of them make sense, for example, that we have to die in order to live. Paul speaks here of the need to die to the things that enslave us. The word actually refers to the things that keep us restrained, that hold us back. The old way of living, for the Jews, it was following a written code. For us, it is our lives apart from Jesus, holds us back from the life that God has appointed for us, and so we need to die to it. We need to separate ourselves from those attitudes and patterns. However, there is another paradox in this verse that is completely counterintuitive but so typical of Jesus. We are set free in order to serve. The Bible recognizes that we are never really free in the sense of doing whatever we want to. In our old life, apart from God, we think we are free, but actually we're enslaved by so many things: our own desires, others' expectations, the devil's schemes, and much more. In a word, sin. And so Paul speaks of being released in order to serve in the new way of the Spirit. Well, the word used here for serve actually means to be a slave. Jesus sets us free from the past in order to be slaves to Him, because He knows that this is true freedom. But He doesn't just set us free from sinful behavior, He also sets us free from futile religion. This verse tells us that we are set free from the obsoleteness of religion and released into the freshness of relationship. The independence we think we have apart from God is just an illusion. We're actually in abject slavery. But Jesus releases us from the old so that we can choose to be His slaves, and He gives us His Holy Spirit to help us make that choice each day and to live in the freshness of this new life. Today, if you will, consider maybe one area of your life, thoughts or actions or attitudes that you can see held you back in the past year. Die to it and ask the Holy Spirit to fill you with its opposite. For example, die to an area of unforgiveness and ask the Holy Spirit to give you a forgiving heart instead. Today's decree: I have been released from my old way of life into the freshness of life in the Spirit.